Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing the externally managed environment error in Linux, detailed tutorial. The externally managed environment error in Python in Linux, and other systems, occurs when you try to install or modify packages using pip within an environment where the package management is handled by a system package manager like apt or yum. This usually happens within the system Python installation and its associated virtual environment. Why this error occurs? System package managers, like apt on debian/ubuntu or yum on Red Hat/CentOS, are responsible for managing system-level software, including Python and its core packages. They maintain dependencies, track versions, and ensure system stability. When you attempt to use pip to modify these system-managed packages, it can lead to conflicts, broken dependencies, and ultimately, system instability. Imagine it like this: apt is the official building inspector for your Python ecosystem, and pip is like someone coming in and randomly renovating without permits or understanding.